Turn your wounds into wisdom. You can have it all. Just not all at once. Be thankful for what you have, you'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never, ever have enough. True forgiveness is when you can say, "Thank you for that experience. I trust that everything happens for a reason, even if we are not wise enough to see it." The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Surround yourself only with people who are going to take you higher. You don't become what you want, you become what you believe. When you undervalue what you do, the world will undervalue who you are. Forgiveness is giving up the hope that the past could have been any different. Doing the best at this moment puts you in the best place for the next moment. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it. Try again. Do better the second time. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Where there is no struggle, there is no strength. I was raised to believe that excellence is the best deterrent to racism or sexism. And that's how I operate my life. Cheers to a new year and another chance for us to get it right. You know you are on the road to success if you would do your job and not be paid for it. The whole point of being alive is to evolve into the complete person you were intended to be. What God intended for you goes far beyond anything you can imagine. I don't believe in failure. It is not failure if you enjoyed the process. Whatever has happened to you in your past has no power over this present moment, because life is now. If you find these words helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, Brainiac Wisdom.